I'm going to my kitchen. So as I'm outside, so I cannot say welcome to my kitchen. You will check my recipe in Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. Right now I'm sharing some diet recipes. People always say that you eat so much, why you are not fat? Well, the thing is that I always prefer the balanced diet, and if I eat, then I do the workout, and I don't eat very oily, very spicy or tikha something. So today I'm going to share a recipe because when I'm doing a diet, I have to have some change as well in my diet. So I wanted to have pomfret, and I thought I'll do the tandoor, but I have work to do, so I don't feel like do the tandoor and everything. It's very easy for me, but still, what I thought that to make a grilled pomfret. So I have a very small size pomfret, not the bigger one, because as I said, I have to maintain the weight measurement and everything. So I had the small pomfret and I did the grilled pomfret. So it is very easy. I use the grilled pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can do it in non-stick tawa or non-stick fry pan as well. And then one more thing, I use the tomato. Fine. Tomato is very expensive right now, but in diet it is also mandatory. So in that case, you can use the small portion, not the huge portion. You can always maintain. If it's very expensive, then it's okay. You don't have to use. You can use lime as well. But in this recipe, tomato is necessary. So either you can use the tomato or you can use the lime, not the vinegar, because the fish will be super soft then. So let's go to the recipe. Just follow the step and always check the description box. You can get the ingredients and the measurement as well. It's a very quick recipe. You can have it with rice. And Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, will you please subscribe? Up to you. And then you can check Madhurima's Kitchen in Instagram and Facebook as well. And if you want to place order, you can go through Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Zomato Madhurima's Kitchen. So right now we are going for a diet recipe, that is grilled pomfret. It's a grilled pomfret because I am in diet, and whenever I'm in diet, so I just cook it like this. So I will tell you what are the masala. Actually, there is no masala. What are there? So I'll tell you. So these are the pomfret. I marinate it with hang curd, and then tomato paste, ginger garlic paste, salt and turmeric. That's it. So just marinate for 5 to 10 minutes and then I'll grill. For grill purpose, I will add little bit of ghee or clarified butter. It's important when you are in diet, you will have a balanced diet. Ghee or butter, everything is important, but in a limited quantity. And I'm adding some mustard oil. Not much. Already one set I have done. So I'll heat it. And then I will place the fish. And now time for add the fish. It's not a big one. Whenever you are doing diet, don't use the bigger size pomfret, rather the smaller size. And the marination. I'll try to make a sauce with the leftover marination, and I will grill the both sides. If you don't have this grill pan, you can always use normal pan. Oh, I forgot to mention that I added a pinch of garam masala powder, that is homemade garam masala powder, and little bit of Kashmiri mirch powder, that is optional because I cannot have the green chili paste, so that's why I'm using little bit of Kashmiri mirch powder. That's it. And the grilled tomato as well. So I had tomato, again I'm repeating, in the marination I have onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste, I make a puree, and after that I add curd, salt, turmeric, a little bit of garam masala powder, and salt, and this red Kashmiri mirch powder. That's it. And that is the final outcome.